Hi, today I'll show you how to build nice figures like the one you see here that we'll call the spiraling squares. This figure is made starting from squares contained one in another like this in this figure you see here. After that you will see it's quite easy just to change the internal angle of the squares to build the figure we have seen before. So let's do it. Project, new Morphic project. A pen, also called the turtle, and then we move the turtle to, to the screen to draw the object we want. Good. Now the two objects move together. Let's move our turtle. Right? Yeah, the turtle moves forward a bit, but we want to see where it goes. So pen, pen down, through. That's right now. Good. We can see it moves. Let's change the step. For example, 100. Good. It works. We want the script now to clear the screen. That's right. Good. It works. We see. We would like. Let's call it clear all. We would like the script to move the turtle in this position when it is run. So we read here it's 12:44 and 8:50. So more or less 12:50 and 8:50. That's right. Yes, it works, but there is a little bit refinement that you should do again. That's right now. Good. Right, so do some scribbling. Good. Good, it works. Let's go back on building the square. So if we click this, the turtle goes forward. We want it to go forward and to turn 90 degrees each time. So let's change the heading. Heading is the current heading. More, let's say 90. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, you see, the turtle goes forward and then it rotates. Of course, now it goes on, building the same square. We want to build squares all around. So what we want to do is just increase the step size each time. So let's do it. Let's define a variable which is size. Let's define another variable which is step. Okay. Let's say the size at the beginning will be 100. And step, let's say that the step is 5. We want to change the value of side. So side, we want it to be the value of side more step. Good, let's try it. Well, let's create our maybe. Try it. Let's watch the variables here. You see, side is increasing. Okay, there is a mistake because forward by side. Let's do it again. Okay, reset. Oh, we see the reset actually doesn't change the heading of the turtle, and we want it to. So heading, after reset, the heading must be 0. Let's try it. Yeah, it works. So let's try again. We are spiraling thing. It works. But you see, this time it started with a very large square. Why? Let's try. Clear. Well, look here. You see the step size is very big now. So again, we want clear all to also reset side. Side is back to 100. Click it. Let's try now. Good. It is the spiraling square that we wanted. Now, what we ask ourselves is this. What will happen if we change the angle of this square? That is, instead of 90 degrees, we make the turtle turn like 89 degrees or 91 degrees. It seems a very little change, but you will see the picture result will change radically. So let's try it. Let's create a roll. Let's change the heading here to 89. Let's see what happened. Slowly first. Remember that 89 is not the angle between these two lines, but the angle of the turtle turning. So that's why you see that is larger than 90 and not smaller than 90. So let's go on faster. Let's see what happens. Good. We want the turtle to go back to the same position here. So let's do another little script. Let's pick, for example, to base position. Okay. Clicking this script, we want the turtle to go back to this point where it started drawing at the beginning. So X is 1250. Y, we want to copy it. Let's copy it from here. Y, it's okay, but we want that on this travel, the turtle, we don't want it to draw. So we need to set the pen up. And so let's take this. And also, we want the turtle to start at heading 0. That is its default direction that we used when we started drawing before. Let's try it. Good. The turtle went back to his house. Good luck. Look what happens now. We draw another spiral at 91 degrees. Let's change the color to make it more apparent. And let's do it. We made a mistake. We made a mistake. Why? Because the side it's remained very high. So clear all. So we want also the side to change and raise it. Okay. So let's go back to the initial angle, 89. Let's go back to the initial color, that was blue. It was blue. Let's draw. Okay. Enough for now. Let's bring the turtle here. And it's done. Let's change the pen color to red. Let's change the angle to 91. And let's draw. And you can recognize this is the beautiful picture we saw at the beginning. Doing it in two different colors stresses what is the structure of the pictures. There is two spiraling squares making spirals in opposite directions. So let's finish this drawing through doing it a little better. So let's make some room here. We don't want the square at the beginning to be so large, first of all. We want to start and do everything in black. So clear all. The initial side will be, let's say, 10. We also must say it here. So clear all. Good. Let's check that the initial side is 10. Good. It is. So let's start to draw. My computer is a bit slow because this is a virtual machine and the recording process is slowing the thing down still even more. Enough. Make the turtle go to base position, and here we are. And now let's draw the other angle, at the other angle. Let's do it. Enough. That's it. We completed our picture and you can see it. That's it. Goodbye. To the next time.